Hello, NC residents. As part of NC Library Week, check out one of our amazing projects NC Libraries are doing with this interview from Greensboro Public Library's Glenwood branch, as Library Associate Sumei and Teen Leader Eric highlight their community project named the Teen Filmmaking Series.
So here we have our teen filmmaking series. We're covering a bunch of different things. We are covering storyboarding, we're covering light and sound, tips and tricks on Adobe, and I think our first session was just like intro to holding a camera and like how to actually get a camera to work, stuff like that.
What inspired the development of this project?
So it's actually kind of funny how this project came about. We got the media digital lab first. So like, it was just something that the city's been working on. And I remember I was telling some teens, at different programs about it. I was just like, yeah, this new thing's coming up. We're gonna have a digital lab in here. It's gonna have like a green screen. It's gonna have Adobe Suite on there for you to use. It's gonna have cameras. And then they actually came to me. It was just like, I would love to do like some type of program workshop where we learn how to actually use it. Because a lot of us don't have access to like, such expensive equipment. And I proposed it and it went through. So yeah, here we are.
What communities does this project serve?
This particular project is really to ignite like the spark in teens. There's so much that goes into filmmaking, and if you don't even choose filmmaking, you kind of take these skills and you learn how to make like really nice TikToks, or you just only post on like YouTube. Like, the purpose of this project is to kind of like spark that future audio engineer, to spark that future photographer, that future graphic designers, to show them like it's not as scary as you think. And there's ways to go about things, there's tips and tricks, but overall it's just to make it like accessible to everyone, because this equipment's expensive,
What inspired you to partake in this workshop series?
I think just because filmmaking, it has so much people working together, and that collaboration thing I really aspired to do. And myself, as I really want to work in nonprofit law, which requires a lot of teamwork, a lot of initiative, and a lot of passion, I feel like art in itself really expresses what it means to be a human. That's that passion inside of all of us. I think that's what inspires me.
Has the library helped you in your creative aspirations?
I would say for sure yes, because again, like having that initiative to start the Teen Advisory Board here for the City Library before really is what pushed me to become such a huge student advocate through my initiative Amplify Equality to outside of school, where I've helped initiate youth programming into my community, such as Youth Forward at the Glenwood Together Center, where we do college consulting programs, this program as well, helping found it as well. And I definitely think that these programs at the library are really necessary because it can be one of the first avenues, just like it was for me, for students to become the advocate in their communities.
To see more amazing things that libraries in North Carolina are doing, visit our webpage linked in this video description or in our bio.